Oh, damn.
You're correct, yeah. What else? What are you resting your arm on?
Oh yeah, okay, the flaps.
Flaps,
Yes, of course.
flaps
First.
go up,
Down.
yes. Then the trim.
Oh yeah.
We
So
could
that's
set it
kind
to
of
neutral, but because of the wind, we'll just run
leave
a bit
as
of
it
down
is.
trim
Oh, okay.
that holds the nose down. Okay, so that's all the cleaning up we've got to do. Oh no, one more transponder. Back to standby.
So standby.
So nothing's been turned off yet. We're just
Yes.
tidying things up. Okay,
Yep.
now we switch off. So it's clean up, switch off, shut down.
Yeah. So the first things, the last ones we had switched on. With
Yeah, we'll switch off all the individual.
So go with the mag. Oh, sorry, avionics. Yeah. Now we shut down. Yeah. So we can do one at a time or both together. One, two, and then master, and then zero. Thank you. I was. I know. Your head wasn't quite in what you were trying to do early on, and then. Yeah, because I know. Catch up. Yeah, and I think that flying low was kind of did my head in because I've never done it before, right? Flying low, because I'm thinking, oh shit, what if I took the nose too low? What if I put too much of power and it comes down? But that's I think that's really good training, because if you can fly level low over the runway, right? And you can turn that into a landing whenever you want. Yeah. And you're getting the confidence in controlling the plane down close to the ground. Which means that if you do want to land, all you have to do is fly it down to where you want it to be, and then just you're going to power, and it's going to slow down and land. And then we're able to start to compress all that together, so you can start to do all that in one smooth motion of leveling off, slowing down, up and down, rather than taking longer to do. Yeah, so I can see now why you're doing that exercise, because obviously that's what we need to do, coming up to the peak. But we were doing it kind of past the peak as well all days ago. And even harder to do. Coming in, you want to be confident in positioning the plane. Of course, yeah. So if you get pushed off a little bit, you just lose position. Or no, that's too far, I'll just go. Yeah. I thought last week was... You better kill it, all you'll hear is that. I thought last week was... hard, this week was harder. Does that guy drop people over Wollongong, does he?